We're going to ATV.
They're water bottles. Different batch.
You want me to carry you, Lizzie?
New ATV. Sabine's still here.
Hello.
Franco is here.
before.
Ida was here before, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Are you ready, Lizzie? Ready? Santina, are you ready?
Yeah. I'm going to crash with you.
Is that a promise?
Crash landing with you.
Can I have a white one?
Let's put this in. That's fine. Oh, like
Uh-huh.
That's it, that's it.
Okay, let's try if it works.
No!
Does it work? Does it work?
Nico and Lizzie in the back. Smile. Dad.
Bye, Lizzie.
Don't fall. You just hold on. Hold on.
Hold on, Gia.
Tita Vanya, did they teach you how to drive that?
No, I already know.
Because that's like a car?
It's a car. I don't need training.
It's a car, but without the thing. Like it's frame.
Move. Go. Lizzie. Wanna switch? Go. Wait, wait. Careful.
I'm driving now! Mom, I'm driving!
Okay, go.
I can do it now.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Okay. Here. Go, go. Wait. You drive first, okay?
We're going down.
Going down there. Okay.
Hey, can you turn it?
Huh?
I can't do this.
You can do this.
We're going in the river.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ah!
Diana!
Woo! We're going in the river.
Ready? Oh!
Oh no! The engine!
Wait. Okay, we're stuck.
Stop!
Wait. That was fun, right? Ready, go. Yeah! Slow down.
I'm good!
Slow down. Brake. Yeah! Got it, buddy. Peter! Where are you going? Okay, go. Go. Yeah! Don't pop into a wall. Go, 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 go. Yeah! Go, go, go. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
No, but this one got there.
Wait. Oh! You stopped again. Go, 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 go.
You got
Go, 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 go. Watch out, there's a truck, there's a truck, there's a truck. Ready? Oh my God, go. Stay on the right side, it's fun. Stay on the
Nico!
Go park with that guy. There.
Galing ni Lucas.
Yeah.
Kayang-kaya.
Kaya.
You wanna try, Nico? You wanna swim?
You wanna try, Nico? Ano, nahirapan ka?
Ha? Nahirapan ka ba?
Nahirapan ka sa...
Ano yan? Mabagal eh.
Oh yeah, take a helmet.
You have fun, Lizzie? Toby was falling asleep.
Huh?
He was asleep. He was asleep.
Woo!
Bunsuran
Do you have a
Falls.
fun part?
Bunsuran Falls. Wow, may falls. Hey, come on. Yeah. What now? You've got an obstacle. You might get swept away. Watch out. Huh? Careful, careful. It's okay, this is not slippery as much, but careful still. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. What? Come on, come on, Toby.
Go.
I got you. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Oh, Sabine, watch out. Oh, oh. Told you.
Just slide down. Slide down. Sit down. Wait. Sit down. Sit down.
Gianna, sit down. Oh, Nico tripped. What happened? Lucas! Santino! What happened? Sit down.
Sit down. On the rock. There. Sit down.
Let's try the different slide. That was so deep. It was so deep.
So deep. Go. Go all the way down. Are you going down?
That's my ear.
Okay, go slide down, Gia. Go slide down. Slide down. Yeah, careful.
Survival skills 101. Remember your
Remember to
dream.
fall on
Just
your butt.
experienced the wonders of the world.
There was a high chance that you will not make it.
And I conquered it. I enjoyed the chances. I enjoyed the thrill of danger, and I made the most of it. I rode like the wind.
Okay, so
You ride with Tita Bun, right, Bebe? Me?
I think my phone's broken.
why?
Flashlight's on.
Turn it off.
I
You can't turn it off.
I can't turn on the screen. I think it's because I took a small dip in the
Maybe your
waterfall.
butt.
I didn't expect it to be that deep.
Right?
Every time I take a step, there's a sloshing.
Slowly lang.
Have fun, Gia? Yeah. Did you just sleep, Toby?
Dad! Ah, so Dad's not gonna ride? You're not gonna drive this? I'm gonna drive it. Why? Dad's riding, right? Yeah.
Bye, Lizzie.
Dad,
High
ride
five.
na! Dad, here now!
High five.
Here.
Uy. Hey, Toby. Yay. Bye-bye. Kiss.
Bye-bye, beside you, baby.
Dad, sit down na.
Go.
Who's gonna ride with me?
Nobody. Let's go, Lucas. Go, 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 go. Up, 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 up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Lucas. Hey.
Oh my god! We almost fell.
You almost fell too?
Yeah, it went like whoop, and then it
Lucas. Go. Oh my god. Careful, stop, babe. Good. You know how to do it now. All right. Woo! How was it, Lizzie? How was it? Belly and Ida almost flipped over too. It was steep. How was it, Gia? Was it fun?
I'd like to
have a complaint. They bumped us.
Ooh, you got bumped? We flipped over.
Yeah, they flipped over. We watched it. Did you have fun, Toby?
How was it?
Fun. I love it.
Rate it because we rated the last one
Out of what?
out of 10.
Didn't we rate the last one out of 5?
Out of 5.
I'll do both. Out of 10, a 9. Out of 5, a 4.5.
You.
Out of 5, I rate it 3. Out of 10,
Why 3?
7. It's a river adventure, and we were in the river for like 10 minutes.
But you rated the last one. What did you rate the last one?
3.5.
Because you didn't get to drive, right?
Yeah.
And now you got to drive.
Yeah,
It was fun, but like
The river was
I want more water.
Did you have fun? So what do you rate the ATV adventure? ATV experience. Out of 5, grade it.
I don't know, 4.
Did you like it?
Mommy, we're getting muddy.
I was getting muddy.
But the whole time.
Did you like it?
But I wasn't getting muddy because I was riding the tiny one.